Your vehicle goes everywhere with you. Work, family, everyday life. Protecting it matters. Today, protecting a vehicle isn't just about alarms or tracking. The most effective security focuses on preventing theft before it happens. The Mastergard M9000 is a professionally installed, hidden, and customized vehicle security system designed with one goal: stop a vehicle from being driven without your authorization. Before driving, you simply enter your personal PIN code using buttons already inside the vehicle. Only the correct code allows the vehicle to start and drive. No code, no movement. Because each system is custom installed and programmed, your vehicle's protection is unique to you. It's security designed around your vehicle and your control. The Mastergard M9000 focuses on preventing theft before it starts. Find a certified Mastergard installer near you and learn how the M9000 protects your vehicle.